and welcome everyone. This is Indira Muneshwar. Welcomes you everyone in my YouTube channel. I am the Indira Angelic Mediumship Healer. Welcomes you in the journey of your own happiness, in your own everything that you want to achieve in your life, your manifestation, your spiritual journey, your coming back to your own power, healing your inner child, everything is going to take place in this channel. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share to the loved ones you feel that this channel can help them to elevate their energies. So stay tuned. We are going to say the angel guidance, what your angels want to say about you for the current situation, whatever situation you have in your life. Let's see what angels wants to say to you about your own journey with them. Oh, you are at very stuck energies. Maybe you are going through some tough time and you are not tap into your own power because you are somewhere lagging to believe that you are very special and you can have everything in your life. This is the message I am getting. Somewhere you are going to connect with the bird spirit. It can be the phoenix, it can be the parrot, it can be the peacock, whatever bird you are going to tap in. Look into the characteristics of that and how they can help you out in this journey, because your spirit animals are around you and they are guiding you with their highest power, with the purity of their heart, and they are helping you to come back in your own powers. So many people who are watching this video are coming from the shamanic energies. I felt somewhere your ancestors or you in the past life were the shaman, and who has helped so many people with the medicines of the plants, with the medicines of the animal, and you took the help of animal spirit to heal them. You just need to come back in that power because you have that power in this lifetime also. And you, if you are feeling that yes, you are having some kind of tingling sensation at your heart whenever you are doing rubbing at your heart palms, and whenever you feel the empathic energies about the person who is having trouble in their own life, make sure that you are learning some of the other modality that really can help other people, or you just start meditating and you will get to know that you are really a human being having supernatural powers to heal other people's in minutes or in hours, where other people are spending years and years and lifetimes to heal themselves. Again, you are an earth angel. This is the very special message. You are not belonging here from the earth. You came here as earth angel to help so many people around you. This is the very beautiful message. You may be attracted towards the silver, golden and green colored, yellow colored light, or cloths, or accessories, whatever things are you use in your daily life. That confirms that you are an earth angel. Your heart is so pure, but whatever experiences you might got from the other people are harsh, I think, because now you are not in this power, because you blocked your heart chakra with the experiences you experience from these people around you. This is the time where you can come back in your own power again, tapping into the energies, real energies of yourself, and you will have success in your life. Let's see what other message your angels wants to give to you. Okay, you are worrying, you are in more worrying energies, because I saw that you were in very stuck energies. Now angels wants you to come back in your own power, because they don't want you to worry about the things. You are worrying about the things. I am saying about the loved ones, about yourself, about the material things, material gains. Your money is stuck somewhere and you are not able to get it back from that person. Some narcissist kind of people are around you from whom you feel that you need to be protected. Angels are protecting you, so don't worry. You need to focus on your own things. If you see that you are protected from the angels, you are safe, they are creating boundaries around you, but you need to use your free will to ask your angels to create these beautiful boundaries on daily basis, to have that their presence around you more stronger way. Some of you are going to tough time in your health. So angels wants to say that seasonal change is happening or some other changes are happening around your way that is causing your health issues, and this can block your chakras and manifestations. So you need to be taking care of your health. See what things you are not having in your life, maybe the fruits, maybe the root related fruits that are sown in the that are grown under the ground, such as beetroot, such as groundnuts. These are the fruits, vegetables that can heal your root chakra, that can help you to balance and ground it, that can help you to gain more money and prosperity in your life. I can see you have helped so many people and they betrayed you. That's why you blocked your heart chakra. But my darlings, angels wants to say that they were with you, they are with you, they will be with you. And you need to trust that you are the special creation of God and you don't belong here. That's why you are facing such challenge. So let go of those energies which are really harsh on your heart. Just tapping into your energies, your God's energies, and whenever you called God or angels, you should have got the message and you should have got the energies that they have done work for you. That you are a very special person, which are meant to be helped from the another realm. So you are so lucky. You must be seeing so many rainbows around you. That is the Archangel Raziel's energies that can help you to get to know about the people who are not serving you anymore, and slowly and steadily angels will push them back from your personality, from your aura. Remain positive. The khazana, the gold, the things which you are wished for so long, that is going to manifest in near future. So angels want you to be positive, more positive towards your goals. Start daily practices of meditation, start daily practices of planning your day. What are the things that you need to have for achieving your goals? The planning should be there. Then it should be in the written form, because I am seeing that Rahu is so activated in your chart. So if you are not writing it, then it can't be helping you to taking the help of Ketu and manifesting into reality, because Rahu do the things which you can think and think and overthink, and by overthinking you engage into the wasting your time. So if you are writing your plans, what you will have in 3 months, 3 days, 3 years lifetime lifespan, you should write each and everything, how you are going to manifest these things. Angels in the meditations will guide you what things need to be changed, what things needs to be uh, replaced with another things, how you can get help from the human realm. They will share with you. Again, what is the blockages that are stopping you to achieve your goals, and what are the blockages? So blockages are, although you are protected, you are bounded by your own things. your own karmas which you have created in the past life and now from this lifetime. So angels want you to, heal your karma, past life karmas first. Secondly, they want you to believe on yourself, because this is the very stronger personality which you can see, but angels are watching you. Whatever you are doing unethical, just stop them and do the ethical work, and they will watch you and they will make sure that you are going to get everything in your life. Again, the blockage is that you are so, um, you know, you need to soften your speech. Whatever speech you are doing the dialogues to other people or for yourself, you need to soften that. That is the blockage, which is, you are being so harsh to yourself and for the other people around you, that is causing so many blockages in your life. So this is it for today. This is the angel guidance for today. Whoever got this message, just work on these energies and you will find a bigger change in your life. Just follow and do share your comment who resonated with these messages. Thank you so very much. Take care. Bye. Love and light to everyone. Take care. All angels must. I request all angels, dear God, goddesses, archangels, ascended masters, Archangel and Michael, and the guardian angel of everyone who is listening to those messages, just be with them and help them to grow personally, professionally, and spiritually, having come back in your own personality, own power. So many powers to everyone, to my soul family. Take care. Bye. Lots of love and happiness to you, all of you. Take care. Do share and like if you feel that this is the worthy to share those with those who are really in need of these messages from the angels. So take care. Bye. Have a nice day ahead.